Water pollution is defined as the presence in groundwater of toxic chemicals and biological agents that exceed what is naturally found in the water and may pose as a threat. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate bodies of water, degrading the quality and rendering it toxic to human use in different environments. Any kind of water can become polluted, regardless of its size or location. This includes lakes from remote areas or huge water bodies and is due to the air transportation of pollutant particles and their transfer into precipitation water.
What people may not know is that there are many different types of water pollution. The most common types are agricultural, sewage and waste, oil pollution, and radioactive substances. Agricultural pollution can refer to any byproduct of farming, such as biotic or abiotic, that results in contamination or degradation of the environment and land surrounding it. It can be caused by pesticides, fertilizers, heavy metals, and land management. Sewage is a type of pollution that is caused by a community of people. It is very common in areas with high population. Oil pollution, most often in the form of oil spills, is the release of a hydrocarbon substance into a marine environment. It is incredibly harmful for animals. Finally, radioactive pollution occurs when large bodies of water are exposed to radioactive substances. Many forms of cancer are related to radioactivity.
Some of the causes of water pollution include industrial waste, marine dumping, and global warming. These all pose a serious risk to bodies of water as they all have the capability of changing the water's temperature, posing risks to sea animals, and putting in more waste into our water. Going over some of the effects, water pollution can kill and contaminated water can make one sick. Unfortunately, we see that low-income communities are at risk because their homes are in areas near polluting industries. Water pollution includes things such as toxic chemicals, waterborne pathogens, waste, and diseases. The toxic chemicals in the water slowly kill off marine life. The trash in our bodies of water traps, kills, strangles, and even blocks off marine life. Our bodies of water are being filled with garbage every single day. And finally, going over some increased concerns, we would see that if this were something that were to continue happening, the oil pollution would continue to get worse. We would have more trash that would end up in our bodies of water. Waste water would be highly increased. And the most important part is global warming, as this is a huge dilemma that we have been in for a very long time.
As you can see from this chart, these are the percentages of pollutants entering the ocean, such as offshore oil and litter. In this chart, we are able to see that 30% of pollutants entering the ocean are caused by sewage. In this next graph, we are shown the overall pollution by different countries around the world. Here we see that the U.S. is in second place with a grand total of around 5,833 million tons per year.
These statistics fall into a major problem that is still happening in Flint, Michigan. In 2014, Flint, Michigan suffered a water crisis where high levels of lead was found in their water. Clean tap water, which we take for granted, hasn't been present in Flint for 4 years, and it is affecting the health of the citizens that live there. Ever since the water crisis in Flint, a study published in the American Journal of Public Health revealed that the number of children with dangerously high lead levels in their blood has doubled since the crisis started in 2014. Water pollution is a growing issue, and we should not take it for granted.